Hello parents, this is Dana. I'm going to talk about ABA Home Follow-Up Program today. ABA, Applied Behaviour Analysis. Having a child on the autism spectrum is a big commitment for the family. Well, in modern days, most moms and dads are both working to help facilitate a reasonable living standard, especially so in developed cities, I believe. It is definitely proven that the more time and resources we can place on the child, the more results and positive result we will derive. This, I believe, is not just for ASEAN child, but for all kids. In order to maximize the results from the investment made in all the therapies, it is most helpful if there is a continual follow-up plan for home. I like to use ABA as an example. ABA, Applied Behaviour Analysis. Now, this is an intervention that I personally have adopted and used it intensively on my own child. And it would be a good intervention that we can have continual plan at home to derive and maximize the result. Now, by now, most of you should know that I am a big fan of ABA. I have invested heavily on this intervention, and I have seen good results from my child in all aspects like learning, behavior control, temper tantrums control, and independence skill. Both parents and helpers should try to have a simple understanding of the main IEP individual educational plan targets and help the child to generalize the skill that they are being trained currently. Now, let's have a very zoom in on a small example. If the child is currently having a target on toilet training, then try to maintain a consistent method from ABA, like we can introduce timer and bring the child to bathroom upon the set timing. For some children, it would be helpful to show them the sequence of toileting by using visuals like PECS, Picture Exchange Communication System. Now, during weekend, it would be very helpful to continue maintaining a structured environment despite the unstructured environment at home, especially during weekends. Now try to prepare the child ahead of any changes. For example, if there is a change in his schedule, for example, his swimming lesson, try and inform him and talk to him about the changes at the earliest timing you could. Try to help the child to generalize his independence training from ABA by applying the skills learned in a more daily life setting, so he would actually wean off from the rigidity more. Now back to toilet training, we can try to slowly fade out timer and have the child learn to use public toilet along with all the appropriate sequences for both pre and post toilet usage. This is just a small example on how we can help catalyze the current target as home support. Now, and it can be very helpful and it would expedite, and so we can proceed to higher and deeper targets. A positive mindset leads to a positive future. This is Dana from danalim.com.